Eminent scientist, philosopher, and thinker Dr. Ashok Joshi, the president of Microcline Technologies, highlighted the relation between silence and decision making.
So I'm going to speak about silence, entropy, and decision making. Silence, because if you take the silence and divide it by two ways, what remains? Silence. You divide it by billion times, silence. What remains? Silence. So it is actually, silence is ananta. And so when silence is ananta, and noise you can divide, and noise has a measurement scale. It's called decibels. So when decibels is 0, there is nothing to divide. It's ananta. Right? Entropy. Entropy is what Einstein said. Entropy is 0 at absolute 0. That means absolute 0 temperature. When temperature becomes 0, that any energy you take out of it, even sound energy. So one of the equation is, when dB is equal to 0, entropy becomes 0. That is again what you call ananta. So when you remain in silent, when you make yourself in ananta, when you engrossed yourself in ananta, it is very easy to make decisions. In other words, if you are excited, either way, either you are depressed or very happy, don't make any decisions. And that is why Dr. Carrar's statement that science and spirituality will bring peace to the world, because it is scientific as a silence, and it is spiritual as an ananta. So when you combine the two, you can make the decisions, because we have to make, no matter who you are, you have to make continuous decisions, constant decisions. And so your decisions are right or wrong depends upon how you take the decisions. And it is all about probability.